Hello, in this video I'm gonna show you how to update apps on Xiaomi 14T and 14T Pro. There are two steps that you can do in order to check for updates. The first one is by going to settings, and then over here you should find system apps updater. If you go over here, if there is an update for an app, then it will be found over here, and then you can decide to make the update. And another way to update apps is by going to the Play Store. And then you want to go to the top right corner and tap on your avatar of your Google account. Now over here you want to go to manage apps and device, and then over here you will find updates available. Now of course you can just tap update all in order to update every app that you have installed for those that have the update available, or you can also tap see details in order to check the list of these apps and then decide one by one which apps should be updated. So if you don't want to update everything, then of course you can do that individually over here. And that's pretty much it. Thanks for watching, leave a like and subscribe to my channel, and see you in my next videos. Bye!